Hey guys, it's Steve here. We're over at the pier. We're off to KOH LARN. So just waiting for the ferry. We'll be seeing you shortly when we're there. Hey guys, we made it to KOH LARN. It took about just under 1 hour and it only cost us 30 baht. Okay, so just a quick look around. Okay, let's go to the beach. Check that water out, how green it is. Hey guys, it's Dave here. Just walking along KOH LARN beach here. It's very hot and humid. I'll be going for a swim shortly. Tomorrow I'll be coming back here. We're going to be looking at a different beach. Got the jet skis over there. There's the pier over there. There's all the eateries up there. Food's a little bit expensive here. You can understand why, because it's not on the mainland. KOH LARN is very popular with Indian tourists. I have to remember where I'm sitting. time for a swim now because I'm very hot, sticky. Just got the sweat pouring off me. I'll catch you all shortly. See you all. Guys, that's it for today. I'll be back here tomorrow. We've got to do a different beach on the island, and I'll have my coconut juice. And see you all soon. Ciao.